Ujor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki nongelam jong kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party mentakasi kashitarik unailur arhaja apusan kilalit ban Ujor da ka FIR Pyrshah Ïaka dukhat ka Trinamool Congress ka Mahua Moitra Hasadar Police Station Halor ka Jingkren bakalakran Pynjah Burom ya Menteri Kampo Yeng jong ka Sarkar Padeng u Amit Shah. Habakren cekila pathai kubor hadin bala Ujor ya kani ka Ejahar unong yelam ka BJP u mewakir lingdo uloong baka seng kala Ujor da ka zero FIR Pyrshah ya ka Moitra kabala ban register na kanu kebenta jong kari bar udawai ki pulet bakin shimkya ulingdo ulakno baka Jingkren jong ka Moitra kabala pau kubor kamshum lalong tang ka bapenmong Henry kalong ru ka pensosi ka bajur ula kano shu bakatai ka Jingkren kala Pynjah Burom ya ka jat benriu ka schedule kas matwa bat kala penmong ru ya ka jingsngau niam jongki sanatanis kumkini ki kintien ulaong kilong ki Pynjah Burom bat kila pelong ya ka jingsosi ka bakrau ha ka jingmo jiperkhat jongki babun haba penpau ya ka jingsngau scam baki pulit kinle ya ka badan kam uling do ula kentu bade ban bu ya ka Moitra hapo ki kendon an ki bayade ha ka jo kapor kinong tray ka BJP kila penlong ru ya ka jingaki hakmat ka Congress Bhavan ha ka ba kila bat ya ki plakat ki ba pendram mi ki dikhat ka seng Congress nalor ka Jingkren ba kila kren ben ya ka kami jong u Narendra Modi u menteri rang badu kari ka balaklat no
Ya kitin jong katbi kabalaya jong Narendra Modi panwandra ya kani hapo ka politics nasgo kam ya ha gipendram jor ya ka Congress Party kaba layat lat ya put usam ha ka long yeng ka long sep oi ban ka party gidan la ka jong ka hak ban Pyrshah ndrai ban le ban kren ya ka yeng ka sam khantom ya ka kbi jongu kabaladon hapo ka jimpam kuai jamu blai dengan ngau bakam ya hap ban ni Pyrshah jor orang yang deki nong yalam jong ka BJP mi ka halaya di Pyrshah jor ban barok kineng ko kam jong ka BJP party di Pyrshah jor ya kan deka jing le ban ni ladon ka FIR ru bangin pha chathi na ka minta iladon ke deka FIR ru ka ba ya kilakran ka
FIR ngila ada file mentah bat kila diang rang diru bat kila receipt te ka ai ka jing tumu jong ka BJP ban le ikini ka long no ba hakano kono ka political party kumba ong no ngier yang la ka jong ka nongrem ban ya tai ban ya tei la ka jong ka nongrem rei aba fi page pa dia kani ka jingle jong ka Congress kalong bakalak ta hadu kalong yeng kalong sem Kalau kata kata kajing dua no jong ka Burom ban ya Burom margiliang kamtam ya Rahul Gandhi. Ubade nong yalam. Ubah khamat ya jong ka Congress Party. Ubadang day ban Burom kadia Prime Minister ubalanong ubala kamtam ya ka kerta jong Andrei dakiktian klamakor dakiktian kiba pendon kam kiba ban singap ru las ngole ran tinggi nakaliang ka BJP party apo Meghalaya nakastia di bro ka way bat kumju bat kinong kitkam gi Pyrshah jor ya kane gi kondam ya kane.
With regards to the statement made by Mohammed Rizvi. So with regards to this, why we have come here today to file an FIR against Moitra, because no action has been taken against her and she's still on a scot-free. So as a leader, sir, as a leader, one cannot be like a loose cannon and speak irresponsibly. We are here for a development, to live together in peace and harmony, not to create indifferences among us. Thank you so much.
Why you have not protested outside TMC office? That will follow.
That will follow, ma'am. That will follow. Today we started at the Congress Party. At the TMC, we might be doing today, or tomorrow or day after. And we will inform the press when we will have the protest in front of the TMC office. Thank you so much. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind, long live Meghalaya.
Your name
Reasons against Mohammed Rizvi, who made the derogatory remarks. So the person has already been arrested. I believe each and every one of us, we follow up what is happening around us. So that as the police have already taken cognizance, that law takes its own part. We from the BJP party, we have come here before the Sardar PS, whereby we have filed an FIR against Mahua Moitra, whereby she stated that Amit Shah's head should be cut off. This FIR is a zero FIR, whereby you can file from any part of the country and the police will take cognizance of the case. This FIR also highlights that the said person, Mahua Moitra, has insulted the scheduled caste of the Mahua community and hurting religious sentiments of the Sanatanis.
and
So
protest against
we from the party, we hope that the police in our state also will take action so a cognizance case could be registered against Moitra and book her under the relevant penal provisions of the law.
and the protest outside this.
The protest outside the Congress party was against the party worker of the Congress, that is Mohammed Rizvi, whereby he insulted the late mother of our Honorable Prime Minister. So from that point of view, the police have acted swiftly. We thanked the police, whereby they have arrested the said person against these derogatory remarks against a dead person.
Today protest for two reasons.
Yes, today's protest is for two reasons. That is against the derogatory remarks made against the mother of our Honorable Prime Minister and against the derogatory remarks made by Mahua Moitra, whereby she said that Amit Shah's head